Hey friends, today I'll be showing you how to make an arch wall opening, something like this. I want to show you how to make something like this in your wall. Um, there are some components where you can load, or a family you can load into Revit and then have this in. Um, but I'm not gonna show you that for now. Today I'll be showing you how to do it yourself by editing this wall or the profile of this wall. The first thing that I will do is to draw a section or put in a section marker in here, and yeah, make it face this way. So this I am using Autodesk Revit 2019 student version. This is a model that I have. I want to have the opening here. Um, It's something I'm working on, so if the designs look weird to you, don't worry about that. The line you see in here is just my floor. When I hover the mouse on this and tap and press tab on the keyboard, it's going to select it. There you go. And then it's, as you can see here on the properties toolbox, it says floor generic. So if you're wondering what that line was, that's what it is, because it does not show here on this side. Okay, so the first thing I will do is to open the section so to show you how it looks. So this is the wall that we want to draw the arch somewhere in here. Okay, so I will select the wall. Up here under modify, you click on edit profile, and then the entire wall will be selected. Let me zoom in to give you a better view. You can see the pink lines tells you the full reach of the wall. Now I want to have my arch in here, just like this, like I showed you earlier on. Something similar to this, yeah. So I will break the line first. You can click on the split element, or on the keyboard you type SL, and then I can split it right in here. Now the next thing I want to do is to draw my line. Let's say I want my opening to be right over here. Okay, and I'm gonna take it up, let's say 5 feet. I want it to be about 6 feet wide, about, let's say 7. Yeah, 7. And I bring it down again. Now I will delete this middle section. I don't need it. I just drew it to help me know determine the distance from this point to this point. Now the next thing I'll be doing for this wall is to trim the lines. You can either come up here and click on the trim or extend to corner button, or on the keyboard you type TR, and I can trim this to that to that. All right, and now we have a hole in here. The next thing I will do is to have the arch. You can use this to center and arch. Click on this. Oh, sorry. I meant this. This to that. And then I can move it in. So this is 180. This is like the radius is 3 foot 6 inches. It looks perfect for me, and I can leave that right there. So the reason why I have it, the arch is 3 feet 6 inches, is because the width of this wall is 7. So exactly half of it is 3.5, which is 336, as you can see here. That is why I chose 7. If I reduce the number to say 6, I would have made the arch 3 to make it look perfect as it looks now. This looks a lot better for me. So now I have this arch in here. I can go on and click on the green check mark to finish, and then there you go, all done. I have it in there just like I want it to be. So my interior wall has an opening there. It's gonna look like this up here, but you can tweak your view to make it look different if you want, but this is how I have mine looking. If you want to see it in 3D, I don't want to save it right now. Okay, so there it is in 3D right there. Perfect, as I want it to be. All right, that will be all for now. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.